Hello everyone and greetings to you. I'm telling you where I will be available for one-to-one sessions either in yoga therapy or meditation therapy or counselling sessions in Europe and in the United States in May, June and July. So here are the dates and places. So there will be Edinburgh, Scotland, 30th of May to 3rd of June. Ghent, Belgium, 22, 23, 24th of June. Los Angeles, California, 3rd to 6th of July. California City, 8th and 9th of July. Las Vegas, 8, 9 July and 10. Yellowstone National Park, 16 to 22nd July. Salt Lake City, Utah, 23rd, 24th of July. I hope that suits you, and if you want to make an appointment you can write in the comments your email address and some suggestions of times, and you can also write a private message to transtandance@gmail.com. Bye bye.